While payments remain one of the prime problems in the industry, Algorand has been getting a lot more attention with its newest partnership. Being one of the top cryptocurrencies, this token, ALGO, is expected to give massive returns. So make sure to keep a watch here, because missing out on these updates can leave you with many regrets. Welcome back, everyone, to yet another video in Crypto Channel. Subscribe to this channel if you like our content and feel the need to constantly update yourself with news and the latest discussions that go around in the world of cryptocurrencies. Like this video, because every single one of your likes encourages and supports us. What's new with Algorand? Many of you may be hearing about Algorand for the first time. The leading global payments technology company has accepted and struck a deal with Algorand. This is huge because it has opened the gates for vast crypto adoptions in the market. We are here to let you know everything about the same, summing up the video with an Algorand price prediction. So, would Algorand be able to hit the dollar mark, or is there any bear signal in the token? Let's find out in this video. Before we begin with the video, there are certain basics that you need to be mindful of. To begin with, the crypto market is highly volatile, and the values change frequently, which is why by the time you watch this video, the token prices that will be mentioned here might have a completely new range. The information shared here does not, in any manner, amount to be taken as financial or investment advice. Rather, the main goal of this video is to be educational and informational. Algorand came into the limelight after giving a significant price return rate on its charts, which was the main reason why it attracted the most attention. Moreover, unlike other cryptocurrencies, this token is very different when it comes to its utility, and if you are wondering how, let us decode it down for you. It is one of the several blockchains hoping to unseat Ethereum as an all-purpose platform for smart contracts. This token aims to solve some of the technical barriers that continue to exist in the existing blockchain infrastructure. Algorand has recently launched in the month of June 2019 with the view to achieve decentralization, scalability, and security, and the project providing a foundation for the existing businesses and upcoming ones to operate globally in the emerging decentralized economy. Algorand is a new token in the Flexa platform, a project to make payments more efficient and accessible for people all over the world, with instant, transparent, and verifiable collateralization or any type of value transfer. Flexa uses AMP as the primary collateral for securing all transactions in its pure digital payments network by using a combination of FlexiCoin and AMP to collateralize payments. Algorand and Income Payments. Flexa has been selected by Income Payments and would offer its global brand partners a seamless way for instantaneously accepting dozens of digital currencies like Bitcoin, Litecoin, Algorand, Dogecoin, etc. On July 7th, Income announced in their news release that their new integration will let merchants connect to Income. In the new release, President Stefan Hop said that as consumer adoption has rapidly increased in the world of cryptocurrencies, it has become indispensable for retailers to keep up with the wide range of payment options. The integration with Flexa's comprehensive solution for digital currency acceptance will help to unlock the strong consumer spending opportunities for brands that can further enrich the consumer experience. This will allow the merchants to partner with Income Payments with compliance to the Flexa network to accept the utility of digital currencies online to their payment portfolio, while gaining a settlement in their US dollars or in cryptos at no extra cost. The co-founder of Flexa, Trevor Filter, said that their merchant-focused mission is a cent per cent, aligned with Income Payments' relentless objective in developing valuable, innovative solutions for their retail customers. This is an approach that is underscored by their award-winning track record. Income is a huge thing for Flexa, especially for Algorand, being a relatively new crypto on the Flexa network. Algorand will have a great impact on the token's price action, since Incom builds value to transactions through innovative payment technologies. What does this partnership entail? A partnership such as this one has enabled a new meaning to the company's regular works. And over the incoming months, Incom Payments and Flexa are looking forward to sharing new details of retail partners to adopt this new technology. Overall, things are looking very bullish for Algorand, since Incom is one of the leading networks globally in terms of pure digital payments, providing merchants and developers with simple digital currency payment solutions, which are fast, affordable, and completely fraud-proof. This integration already means that Algorand has expanded the audience field while opting for an innovative approach of decentralized finance technology for its retail network, similar to XRP when it comes to utility. Both aim to create an efficient transferring global system, enabling transparent and accessible money flow. However, a significant difference lies in the fact that XRP seeks to replace the financial system as a whole, whereas Algorand tries to work with the existing system. This will make the current system more efficient, affordable, reducing any sort of wastage, and less time-consuming. Because of its registration to Coinbase, which is a leading crypto trading platform in the US and has contributed substantially to keep Algorand's game ahead of Dogecoin. Algorand is trying to create smart contracts without trade-offs. There have been about 4.5 million Algorand standard assets created in the blockchain, within those 700 companies built on Algorand, processing around 1 million transactions a day. Other partnerships. Since its launch 2 years ago, more than $600 million has been devoted to building on Algorand, including Michael Arrington's venture capital fund, which has invested $100 million to building projects in the Algorand ecosystem. Also, the digital wallet company Exodus Movement announced that it would digitize all of its common stock as exit tokens on Algorand's blockchain. Algorand is strategically maintaining its social image, as this is the second time in 1 month that the company gave out some huge news. Last month in June, the news came out as the company established its objective of competing with USDC stablecoins in cross-border payments. 6 Clovers, a fintech company, announced the launch to be headed by 2 former PayPal employees and an early Ripple employee, enabling the network to fully regulate the stablecoins and merchants, connecting banks and payment providers to make transactions global. Price updates and the future predictions of Algorand. As of July 19th, the ALGO token is trading at $0.7966 and since the beginning of May, the token took a downhill and was struggling to maintain bullish momentum. At this current level, it is safe to state that Algorand is back to where it started its exponential rise. However, since the token bounced off from a critical support level, there are high chances of validation towards higher highs. Currently, the trend line of the token appears to be a descending pattern, which is a bearish signal and has been acting as resistance for the cryptocurrency. Out of the total 26 technical indicators, 14 of them are standing at a sell position, with 9 neutral indicators and only 3 signals at buy. With the Relative Strength Index, or RSI, declining as well, we might see a further downfall in the token's price action. However, in the long term, the token is optimistic, since Digital Coin price predicts that the same will end the year at the price level of $1.31, and in 2028, the token would reach a level of $3.76. Wallet investors predict that it will go in a bullish move to reach $1.71 by the end of this year. And as for its 5-year plan, the token would probably be at $5.22. For the current short term, even though the market seems to be a bit bearish for the token, there are high chances that Algorand might invalidate the current trend. We hope this video will prove to be informative for you, and please come back for more videos if you want to be well aware of the latest discussions in the world of cryptocurrency. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. Also, like this video and comment down below your thoughts regarding ALGO. We will see you soon. Until then, ciao!